The water moves gently. The light dances on the sand. The fish explore in silence, unbothered, unhurried. This is a natural aquarium, a world not controlled, but guided. No bubbling filters, no buzzing machines, just plants, soil, and time. A quiet balance, grown, not built. It asks very little of us and gives so much in return. In this style of fish keeping, we lean on nature's own systems. The plants feed from the soil and the light. The bacteria break down waste, quietly working for us. There's no need for constant adjustments or gadgets. Instead of chasing perfection, we create stability. Natural tanks often cost less over time. A simple light, a still body of water, a dirty base beneath the sand. It's not only economical, it's also sustainable. Less plastic, fewer replacements. A slower rhythm, one that more people can follow, regardless of budget. This kind of aquarium can last years with minimal interference. When set up thoughtfully, it becomes a living system, self-regulating, resilient. But this isn't the only way. Technology has its place. High-energy tanks with CO2, filtration, and precision can be beautiful and inspiring. Every aquarist brings their own taste, their own vision. Some fish require more care, more movement, more intervention. That's the beauty of this hobby. There isn't just one right way. There are many paths, each shaped by the fish we keep and the life we want to witness. My path leans toward simplicity, toward watching more than tinkering, toward letting nature lead. In the end, keeping fish is about more than equipment. It's about attention, stillness, a quiet kind of care. Whether you choose a natural path or a technical one, what matters is that you see your tank, that you give it time to teach you. The fish don't know the cost of your filter. They only know the flow of water, the scent of healthy soil, the safety of plants. If we listen closely, we learn from them. We become less like owners and more like keepers. Keepers of balance, keepers of life, keepers of fins. Thank you for watching.